Sionyx Aurora, night vision camcorder. I set it to 7 frames per second. And if you look at the properties, say in Windows, it says it's 7 frames per second. So I stick it in video velocity and I pick 1. It says skip every frame, so that's a 2x fast forward. But what it does is it converts it to 30 frames per second. So it's like also doing like another 5x time compression. So I said, I don't know, I'll set to 0, which means it'll do all frames. And then I'll set it to 30 frames per second. No, it got twice as big. So I'm stuck with this right now. But it really enhances the motion of these Starlinks or drones or UFOs, or I think they're eggs from 3i/Atlas. They laid them, and now it's going to release the spores, and everyone's going to turn into pod people. That's what I think. Now I also have the Raynox 0.7x wide angle conversion lens on it that helps a lot. They capture a wider field of view, and I think it's a really good system, except it's a little noisy. But by speeding it up, it sort of averages out the noise, so it's worth it. And I just want to point out, look at all the weird Starlink stuff in the sky. Starlink. Oh wow, Starlink is getting trippy. Originally there was only a couple thousand, and now it was like 7,000 or 8,000. Now it's 10,000. Some of them are tumbling out of control. And they went from like, say, 500 pounds to 1,000 pounds. So when their fuel runs out, they deorbit them, and then you see a fireball. So I think that's what uptick of fireballs all comes from that. That's what I believe, at any rate. I guess some of them may be drones, some of them may be airplanes, some of them may be extraterrestrial. Who knows? I don't know. They're just dots flitting around. And you never used to see these. Nope, not at all. So, and just in the past month that I've been doing this, I don't do it regularly. I do it occasionally. It's got to be clear out with no moon. And I set them up in the morning, and boom, what do you see? Look at all the stuff flitting around. This crazy stuff up there in the sky. Now, this was a 2x fast forward. But the software I use, Video Velocity, changed it from 7.5 frames per second to 30 frames per second. And I guess it shrunk it, so it even speeded it up even more. Now I tried to do 0 frames per second, 0 skip, and 30 frames per second, and then in that case it made it twice as big. So this is the slowest speed I could have. And you see, there's the wagon train. See them? You just go back and start counting. Look at how many you are, one after another, just like they're being shot out of a gun. Now the Chinese, they want to put up 30,000 of their own Starlink, because they're already copying Elon Musk's self-landing rocket ships and everything. So once they get that perfected, you see, look at them all. That's a wagon train. Keep those doggies rolling, right? Keep those doggies moving, even though they're disapproving. Wagon train. Where's that rawhide? There's one of them. But there's just so many of them. Now, on occasion, I'm just going to, post these videos to let you see. Now, this would actually be almost a 45-minute video, and they would move much slower. I don't think anyone will watch it, even though there's some fireballs and meteors that the speed up compression gets rid of. So I don't know what to say, but there's an awful lot of stuff flitting around in the sky, tons and tons of it. And this is only a recent phenomena within like the last year and the last 6 months.